Hey, welcome back, guys, to my channel, Auction Market Nifty. And this is your host, Rohit Sawant. So, we will start with our today's session, that is after-market analysis, what exactly happened in the market and where were the opportunities. Okay, hope you guys see my screen. Uh, Let me plot the volume profiles for you. Okay, I'll go to one day prior and try to make you understand the volume nodes. So this was our point of contact, the red color one. This was our volume area high, and this particular node was volume area low. Okay, this is high and this is low. And rest of the volume nodes we have already plotted in the previous session, so we are not going to delete that. Okay, so I will close this. Okay, I've closed this. Oh, so we'll start with the first candle, 9:15. Let us understand what exactly happened in the 9:15 candle. Okay, as I always tell you guys to ignore the first candle. You can see 110K a heavy delta. सबसे ज्यादा डेल्टा यहाँ पे आया है, ठीक है, इन द फर्स्ट कैंडल। तो क्यों इग्नोर करना पड़ता है? क्योंकि प्रीवियस डे के पोजीशंस यहाँ पे क्लोज होते हैं, तो कभी कभी मार्केट उस डायरेक्शन में नहीं जाता है जो फर्स्ट कैंडल दिखाता है। सो इट्स अ बेरिश सिंबल, सो मार्केट डजंट गो एवरी टाइम इन द सेम डायरेक्शन where the first candle closes. Okay guys, तो हम लोग सेकेंड कैंडल से चालू करते हैं। विल स्टार्ट विद द सेकेंड कैंडल एनालिसिस। I'll zoom this. So second candle we have 15K of delta. Okay, fair enough. 15K delta hai, and we have the support here. There was another volume node which particularly broke by this second candle. So I will delete this. Okay, so we'll come here. 141K delta, 1,40,000 के आसपास डेल्टा है यहाँ पे। ये कौन सा कैंडल है? 9:30 का कैंडल है। और आप क्या देख सकते हो यहाँ पे 9:30 के कैंडल में? इट्स अ रेड कैंडल। डेल्टा इज बुलिश बट कैंडल फॉर्मेशन इज bearish. Okay, so that proves that every green candle is not buyer, every red candle is not seller. Okay, so you can see here, this is a live example. तो यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा डेल्टा कहाँ पे आया है? 153K डेल्टा है। 164K buyers we have here. At what price? 25,540. Okay, 539 and 540, we have 164K buyers. So what I have done, I have just marked this particular zone. Okay, तो यहाँ पे मैंने जस्ट ये पर्टिकुलर जोन मार्क किया है। ओके, तो एंट्री कहाँ पे थी? दैट इज आवर कंसर्न हियर। तो एंट्री आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर अ पुल बैक, पर पुल बैक आया ही नहीं। ओके, तो 164 के वाज अ बुलिश एरिया, वी वर वेटिंग फॉर पुल बैक, and you can see another 65K delta arrived here, but on top of that we have 250K buyers as well. 3 लाख की डेल्टा है पॉजिटिव डेल्टा, और 2.5 लाख की नेगेटिव डेल्टा है। तो buyers are trying to push the price up and sellers are trying to bring the price down. But what happened in the exactly next candle? This particular zone got absorbed. ये 3 लाख का जो डेल्टा आया, इस कैंडल ने, नेगेटिव कैंडल ने इसको एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया। ओके, सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली एब्जॉर्प्शन, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज एग्जॉशन, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट गाइस, वो हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे। because the video will become very lengthy. So just try to understand wherever you see a 50 plus K of delta, we will try to highlight that particular zones. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, this particular thing got exhausted here, it did not give a follow up candle. Okay, 3 लाख का डेल्टा आ गया, पॉजिटिव डेल्टा, बट on top of that we did not get a follow up candle, and this particular candle absorbed this particular 3 lakh delta, positive delta. Okay, so again same story repeats here. Okay, the pullback did not come and we don't have a follow up candle, and this particular zone also got broke. This 250K negative delta got broke by this particular candle, and we have fair enough delta, more than 40K delta. But why we cannot go long here? We cannot go long here because we have a resistance here. Okay, so that's the reason we don't go long here. So I'll just delete this particular zone. Why? Because this particular candle broke it. Today, it was Thursday and it was an expiry. So it is, very rare to take any positions in expiry because we have multiple support and multiple resistance over here. So we try to avoid that particular positions. Okay. So we have 13K delta here, fair enough. It went here, but it did not touch this particular volume node. From here itself, it tried to reverse. Again, where do we find the huge delta? 32K delta we see here. But if you try to compare the other deltas, there are more than 40K deltas here. Okay, so we'll try to ignore this as well. But what exactly happened in this year? 20K delta. We will just mark this particular zone. Okay, resistance. It got a pullback for this particular delta, 32K delta, and the price went down. And it was somewhere around 1150. Okay. And it tried to, reach this particular volume node. You can see here. Price travels from one volume area to another volume area. This is what, I wanted to make you guys understand. Okay. So this particular zone also got broke. This was a bullish area. I'll just break this. Somewhere here, there was a 164K delta. Okay. This price particular broke this particular candle. It went for a pullback. और यहाँ पे हमें एंट्री मिल गई. Okay. और उसके बाद if you miss this particular entry, you have another entry over here, 40K delta. Price came for a pullback. It came down. So yeah, this is what we had for today. So guys, I'm getting a lot of inquiries to do a live session of live on daily basis. But for that, I require a minimum 1000K of subscribers because that's the initial criteria what YouTube has given to each and every channel. तो अगर आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे, लाइक करोगे, कमेंट करोगे, एंड इट विल हेल्प मी टू ग्रो माय चैनल. आई विल ट्राई टू कम ऑन every day, try to make you understand the live trade, the live concepts. Today also, my position was somewhere here. This particular bottom you can see here, I have already plotted this particular line. मैंने कैसे bottom को capture किया? Okay, that is very uh, difficult to identify any bottom, but I have tried to capture the trade from the bottom itself. So that's the reason you see this particular zone over here, which is pre-marked. I did not mark it, during this call. It was already plotted over here. So how did I catch the bottom? So that is the catch. So if you guys, share your love and try to help grow my subscribers to 100K, then definitely, I can come online and share the live trade concepts with you guys. So there are many more concepts. There are particular candlesticks pattern which you need to identify, to catch the bottom. And the very most important thing is like आपको प्रॉफिट कहाँ पे लेना है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, कोई भी ट्रेड कैच कर लेगा, बट द थिंग इज लाइक ही नीड टू सस्टेन इन द ट्रेड एंड कैप्चर दोज मेनी पॉइंट्स. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So I request you guys to please subscribe to my channel. Help me reach 1K subscribers so that even it will be benefited for me and it will be a win-win situation for both of us, to the host as well as to the viewers. So thank you guys. आज के लिए इतना ही था. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.